Hey, what's up, cousins? If you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and stay tuned. It's me, Unique, here with another video, and it has been so long, y'all. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded something on YouTube, but I'm constantly active in the Instagram world, and my Instagram name will be popped up right here. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram if you have not. Okay, but if you are new to my channel, my name is Unique, and I am from St. Louis, Missouri, and I also reside in St. Louis, Missouri. Comment below and let me know where you're watching from. So in this tutorial, this is going to be what I call rustic passion twist. I'm not going to do that much talking. I'm just going to let y'all jump right into the video. I'm going to tell y'all all the details in the video coming up right now. Okay, y'all, so for this look, I actually purchased 6 bags of the Jazz Water in the color 1B, and I also purchased 2 bags of the Jamaica Braid for BOBBI Boss in the color 1B. For the actual look itself, I only used 5 bags of the Jazz Water and 1 pack of the Jamaica Braid with a few strands left over. So what you're going to do with this hair is you're going to take for each of the twists, you're going to take 2 of the Jazz Water strands, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pull those apart and basically stretch those out. And when you're pulling them apart, what you're going to do is you're going to take the hair at the ends and kind of stretch out a strand to give you that extra curly look at the ends. So, and then what you do is after you go ahead and pull the Jazz Water strands apart, what you're going to do is you're going to take the Jamaica Braid. You're going to take 1 strand of that, split that in half, and take that half piece, and then you're going to do the same thing as far as splitting it apart. You're going to combine all of that half strand of the Jamaica Braid and 2 strands of the Jazz Water that have already been separated out. You're going to combine those all together, and using the Eco Styler gel, or Eco Styler, I don't know, y'all, I'm sorry, Eco Style gel, you're going to use some of that, and you're going to basically apply that gel as much as you see fit. Me, I didn't need it soaked, but I wanted it enough to the point where the twists weren't extremely dry. So once you do that, you're going to take your handy dandy hanger. If you're new to my channel, then I actually use a hanger that I have at home and tape it to the corners of my desk, i.e. you can see how raggedy the desk looks now. But anyway, you're going to take that and you're going to twist left over right. You can twist tightly or you can twist loosely. It's going to give you a different result. And for me, I never like the uniform look. I like something that looks more natural. So when you twist left over right, once you get done twisting, the actual twist itself will either puff or it will stay tight. Now while you're twisting the hair, you'll see that some of the strands of the actual Jazz Water will poke out. And actually you want that to happen because it gives it more of the rustic and bohemian look on its own without you having to add extra strands to it. So you don't want the twist itself to be uniform. You want it to be messy. You want it to be puffy. It gives it the rustic look. It gives it the more natural look. Now let's go ahead and jump into the crocheting part. So with this hair, what you're going to do is, what I did was I wanted to try the zigzag method. Now with the zigzag parts, what you want to do is I only had 8 braids in the front and 4 braids in the back. Now when you see the back of my head, what you'll see is I took 2 braids and combined them into 1 in the back. That's how I got 4 of those braids. And then I basically took the ends of my hair, because my hair is actually getting longer and longer, y'all. I took the ends of the hair and crocheted those into the braids. Now for this look, I actually always start in the front. It's not just this look. All my looks I start in the front because I want to make my front as full as possible, because depending on what I'm going for. So because the front is going to cover the back. More than likely, if you're wearing your hair down or if you're wearing it up in a ponytail, the front is going to cover the back. So that way you don't have to put too much hair in the back. You can put most of your hair in the front. And for me, with this look, I decided to go with the bigger braids because I had bigger twists, and I really didn't want an extra full look. I didn't want every space to be filled. I wanted it to be kind of spaced out and let the actual twist be jumbo. Now when I'm putting the crochets in, if you have not can tell, if you can't tell, I'm basically starting in the front and I'm latching my hook onto the braid and then through the braid and pulling through. So, and when I'm actually applying these, I'm also going from left to right. That way, if on the lower left braid I put 3 twists, on the lower right braid I want to put 3 twists. For this look in the front, with me having 8 braids, the lower braids both had 3 twists on them, and the remaining 6 braids in the front each had 4 twists on them. And in the back of the head, once I get to the back of the head, each one of those braids had 4 twists on each braid in the back. And as you can see, when I'm doing these twists, when I'm installing them, I'm just checking them out to see how they look. They look really good, and with the zigzag method, they look individual. Like I said, with my twists, I didn't want them to be back to back. I didn't want them to be extra full. I wanted them to be spaced out. So I made sure that I spaced out my crochets as I added them in. You already know what I'm finna say, so you know. But if you ain't part of the CUZN gang, I don't know what you waiting on. CUZN gang, CUZN, like my family, y'all already subscribed. If you made this far in the video, I don't know what you waiting on. Hit the subscribe button. You're gonna want to see more from me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Uniquerenee. All that good stuff. Yup, I stopped the video to tell you and ask you why you ain't subscribed yet. You see I said tell and ask you. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna let y'all jump back into the video right now. And I usually don't always show the back of my head, but with this look, I wanted to make sure that you all seen it, just to show you that even with it being 4 braids, the back still looked full. And like I said, I only put 4 twists on each of the braids back there. And y'all, I was so happy with how it turned out. I started flexing before I had even did my edges, y'all. Like, y'all gonna see me sitting here playing with the hair. I'm like, yeah, this look good, blah blah blah. I ain't even did my edges yet. So in a second, you'll see me doing my edges with my handy dandy toothbrush, and I use She Is Bomb edge control to do that with. And that's pretty much the finished look, y'all. Like, you can wear this hair in a ponytail, in a bun, to the side, all that good stuff. I loved how this turned out. If you try this look, please let me know. Tag me on Instagram. You know, comment below if you tried it. Comment below if you got any questions on it, because like, I really loved how this turned out. And also, the hair is extremely lightweight. The hair is not heavy at all. It's extremely lightweight. On the Bobbi Boss Jamaica braid bag, it does say enhanced texture for volume and lightweight. It is extremely lightweight. It is not heavy at all. Alright, cousins, thanks so much for watching. I hope I provided all the information. I am going to be back and more active on YouTube. I have a lot more tutorials coming up. My voice is a little bit raspy because I'm getting over a cold. Please let me know in the comments below as well if you all want to see a makeup tutorial. If you all want to see how I got to this look, please comment below and let me know. Also, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you've subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. Thank you for sticking it out. If you have any questions or something that I did not answer in the video, comment below and I'll be sure to respond to you. And thanks so much for watching, and until next time.